What's going on, guys? Cooper's Violet. This is the GoPro Session 4, and I just wanted to do a little video here. This is in a special case, and you can peel this off and then stick it on something and it'll stay. And you can undo this lever here and put the accessory on something else if you'd like to. But this is really just protective case slash a mounting case. So it just slides right on out of there. And there's this little thing right over here, and you just slide this. And pops it right open. This is where you're going to put your micro SD charger at, and then this is the SD card memory card slot. So what you do is you just press on the memory card of your own, of course. So you push it just slightly and it'll pop right on out, and you just take it out. And it does, when you're inserting the SD card, it does go in backwards, so the black is facing up rather than the decal, and it goes in at an angle. So I just wanted to show you that. And once you close it, just make sure that it's 100% closed, and that way it's nice and waterproof. You just touch that button there on the top and it turns it on. This one, the charge isn't going because I haven't fully charged it, but I did get a new charge cable with it, and it can record or take pictures, and the best thing about it is it's waterproof. So I just wanted to do a little intro video in case y'all had any questions, and we're just purchasing one of these or got it for a gift. Thanks for watching.